Hi, welcome to Pentool Studio. This is Parvez and I'm a professional graphics designer. I have 7 years plus experience in graphics design. In this channel, I will share my skill in graphics design which will really help to develop your skill and career. Today, I'm going to share how I was create my own logo, Pentool Studios logo. I think you will learn something from the video, so keep watching and practice with me. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below for new notifications. Let's do the design. I have took an artboard with 4000 into 20,000 pixels. You can also take the artboard size you like. After taking the artboard, one thing is that make sure go to the view and make sure the smart guide, then turn on off the snap to pixel and turn on off the snap to point. After that, go to the color palette and turn on off the fill color, then go to the stock color and select the plug as stock color and size 1. Now artboard is completely ready to design. This is the PS combined letter logo which I'm going to design, so let's start the design. I have taken two rectangle with different size. Go to the rectangle tool and taking a rectangle with 100 into 1500 pixel, then hit OK button. Now I have to take another rectangle. For taking rectangle, go to the rectangle tool and taking rectangle with 25 into 1500 pixel. Then hit OK button. Alright. Now select the second rectangle and drag and drop on first rectangle left border like this. Select all and hold Alt, drag and drop here and make sure the center between two border. Press Ctrl D 2 times. Now select all and go to option, then transform, rotate and rotate angle set 90 degree, then make copy, right. I have to add one small rectangle on here for make a shapes and create a space between two shapes, and one is here and another is here. Alright, let's do that. Just copy the second rectangle by pressing Ctrl CB and put it on the border and make sure the center. Make sure the center carefully, otherwise you will not get proper segment. Select the first rectangle and drag and drop here. Alright. Then select the second rectangle, small rectangle, and drag and drop on the border and make sure the center. Okay. Then copy the second rectangle by pressing Ctrl CB and drag and drop on the border. Then select the first rectangle and drag and drop on the border. After joining that, you should check and recheck every joins. Select all and make group, then make copy. I will draw the logo from here using shape builder tool, so select the shape builder tool and start draw from here. Draw and make P shape. Alright. Then make S shape on here like this. Right. Start from here. Okay. Draw and join. Right. Then draw here, join. Okay. Now select the logo and go option, make ungroup. Okay. Select the logo. Oops. Need make ungroup again. Go to the option, make it ungroup, then select the logo and go to color palette and choose black as a logo color. Okay. Alright. Oops, I made mistake. So select the object and apply the same color. Okay. Then make group and copy and okay, now I have to put logo name. So go to that text tool and type Pentool Studio. Okay, make a little bit bigger and apply the font. Okay, in this way you can design any combined letter logo like this. If you want to get more tutorial, please subscribe my channel and I'll back with another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.